Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Learn and Earn. Myself Dayanand. Today we shall start a new playlist on Excel formulas. I'll be organizing the Excel formulas into three sections. Number one, the Excel basic functions, an intermediate, and the advanced Excel functions. And the main objective of this playlist is to only focus on formula and not getting into coding anything as such. So only formula and these videos will be short videos, so we don't spend much time watching this video. I'm planning to limit all the videos anything less than 3 minutes. I have been practicing Excel over 7 years in VBA programming, automation, creating Excel tools for making life easy. Some of them I have already shown you on my Excel VBA current playlist. Well, on this playlist, what we're starting today, we exclusively focus on only Excel formula to learn the basic, intermediate, and an um, advanced list of formulas in Excel, right? And let me call this playlist as Excel Daily Dose. If you ask me, Dayanand, how do I become an expert in Excel? It is pretty simple. Learn one formula daily, one formula per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 30 useful, a handful of formula which you can use for many Excel reporting stuffs, right? So that's all you need. That's how you become an expert. So after a month, you will be one step ahead from where you were. I promise you, I pledge that I put my genuine effort in making use of all my knowledge, all my experience to make an easy and simplest videos possible and presented here on the channel, right? So all I need you to do for me is keep me engaged, keep me motivated, keep me engaged with your questions, your comments, and do subscribe to the channel. That helps me a lot, that motivates me a lot to bring quality contents on the channel, and press the bell button that helps us to send you notification every time I make a new video. Thank you. So having said that, let's meet on the first video under the basic Excel daily dose playlist. Until then, happy learning. All is well. Thank you.